Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have done up to 7 sum in workbook. Okay, children, we have done up to 7 sum in workbook. Today, let us do 8 sum in page number 53 in workbook. Okay, children, today let us do 8 sum in page number 53 in workbook. Okay, children. So, now I am reading the 8th question. Solve 15,689 divided by 25 and identify the quotient and remainder. Also, validate your answer. Validate means you have to check whether you have got the correct answer or not. Okay, children, now let us do the 8th sum. First, what we have to do is we have to divide 15,689 with 28. We have to divide 15,689 with 28 and check our answer. Check whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, children. Let us write down the 28 table. 28 plus 28 is equal to 56. Plus 28 is equals to 84. Plus 28 is equals to 112. Plus 28 is equals to 140. Plus 28 is equals to 168. This is 1 time. This is 2 times. This is 3 times. This is 4 times. This is 5 times. And this is 6 times. So, I have written the 28 table by repeated addition. So, how many times 20? So, how many digits you have to take? Here, if you take 2 digits, then 15 will be smaller than 26. So, you have to take 3 digits. That is 156. So, how many times 28 goes in 156? If you take 168, it will be bigger. So, you have to take 140. That means 28 goes 5 times in 140. Okay, children? 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 8. Now, how many times 28 goes in 168? It goes 6 times. Because 24 6 are 168. So, it goes 6 times. That is 168. 168 minus 168 is 0. Bring down 9. 9 is smaller than the divisor. We have brought 9 and 9 is smaller than the divisor. So, you have to put 0 in the quotient. So, you have to put 0 in the quotient. So, 560 is the quotient and 9 is the remainder. Now, we have to check whether our division is correct or not. You all know the rule for checking the division. I have already told you the rule for checking the division. What is that rule? Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Remainder is equals to dividend. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Is equals to dividend. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. If you multiply quotient with divisor and if you add remainder to it, you should get the dividend. Okay, children? So, what is the quotient here? The quotient is 560. You have to multiply 560 with divisor. So, what is the divisor here? 28 is the divisor. So, you have to multiply 560 with 28 and then you have to add the remainder. So, first let us multiply 560 with 28. 8 zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48. 8 5s are 40 plus 4. 44. 2 is in tens place. Put 0 in ones place. 2 zeros are 0. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10 plus 1. 11. 0, 8, 6, 5, 1. So, we got 15,680. To this, we have to add the remainder. Here, the remainder is 9. So, let us add 9 to this number. So, then it will become 15,689. Then it will become 15,689, which is the dividend, which is the dividend. So our answer is correct. So by using this rule, we can check whether our division is correct or not. What is that rule? Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equals to dividend. Okay, children. Now let us move to the ninth sum. Let us do the ninth sum. Now let us do the ninth sum. So what is the ninth sum? When we divide 5632 with a number, we get 165 as quotient and 22 as the remainder. Find the divisor. Here dividend, quotient and remainder are given. Now we have to find out the divisor. You all know that if you divide the dividend by quotient, you will get the divisor. Or if you divide the dividend by divisor, you will get the quotient. Okay, children? If you divide dividend by quotient, then you will get the divisor. Or if you divide the dividend with divisor, you will get the quotient. So here we are given the dividend and the quotient. We have to find out the divisor. That means you have to do the division to find out the divisor. You have to divide the dividend with the quotient to find out the divisor. Okay, children? So, which is the dividend? 5632 is the dividend and 165 is the quotient. If you divide the dividend with the quotient, you will get the divisor. Okay, children? So let us write down the 165 table. I am writing 165 table by repeated addition. 165 plus 165 is equal to 330. Sorry children, it is 330. And 330 plus 165 is 495. 495 plus 165 is 660. Okay children, I have written the 165 table by repeated addition. Now how many digits you have to take? If you take 2 digits, then it will be smaller than 165. So you have to take 3 digits, which is 563. So how many times 165 goes in 563? If you take 660, it will be bigger. So you have to take 495, which is 3 times. So 165 goes 3 times in 563, that is 495. So 13, 5, 4. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 15 minus 9 is 6. Bring down 2. So how many times 165 goes in 682? It goes 4 times. It goes 4 times. So 660. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Here the remainder is 22 and 32 is the quotient. Okay children? So 34 is the divisor. So the divisor is equals to 34. So if you divide the dividend with the quotient, you will get the divisor. Okay children? Now let us do the 10th sum. Now let us do the 10th sum. Let us do the 10th sum. Raju has to collect rupees 45,125 in 5 rupees notes. How many 5 rupees notes he will have to collect? So Raju want to collect some amount, that is 45,125. This amount he want to collect in the form of 5 rupees notes. So now we have to find out how many 5 rupees notes he have to collect. Okay children. So how much amount he want to collect? Amount he want to collect. So how much? Rupees 45,125. So he want to collect this amount in 5 rupees notes. So types of notes you want to collect. Types of notes. So which type of notes you want to collect? 5 rupees notes. So now what you have to find out? You have to find out number of 5 rupees notes. Number of 5 rupees notes. So for that you have to do division. You have to divide 45,125 by 5 to get the number of notes. Okay children? You have to do the division for getting the number of notes. So let us divide 45,125 with 5. So you have to take 2 digits. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. 0. Bring down 1. 1 is smaller than 5. So you have to bring down the next number also. So you have to put 0 in the quotient. When you bring down 2 numbers at a time, you have to put 0 in the quotient. 5 was simple. How many times? 2 times. So 5 2s are 10. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down 5. How many times 5 was in 25? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. So the remainder is 0. So how many notes he has to collect? He has to collect 9,025 to make the amount 45,125. So he has to collect 9,025 5 rupees notes to make the amount 45,125. Okay children. Now let us do the 11th sum. Let us do the 11th sum. Now I am reading the 11th question. There are 39,375 pencils. How many pencil boxes will you need if you put 35 pencils in each box? If you want to put 35 pencils in each box, how many boxes do you need? Here you have to find out how many boxes are required to keep 35 pencils in each box. There are 39,375 pencils, and if you want to keep 35 pencils in each box, you have to find out how many boxes are required. So let us do the sum. Okay children? Number of pencils. Number of pencils. How many pencils are there? 39,375 pencils are there. And how many pencils are kept in each box? Number of pencils in each box. So in each box you have to put 35 pencils. In each box you have to put 35 pencils. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out how many boxes you need. So number of boxes. So for this you have to use the operation division. So you have to divide 39,375 with 35. You have to divide 39,375 with 35. Okay children? Let us do the division. So let us do the division. So let us write down the 35 table. 35 plus 35. 70. This is 2 times. Plus 35. 105. This is 3 times. Plus 35. 140. This is 4 times. Plus 35. 175. This is 4 times. So how many digits you have to take? You have to take 2 digits. 39 is bigger than 35. So you have to take 2 digits. How many times 35 goes in 39? one time. 35 goes in 39 one time. So 35 ones are 35. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down 3. So how many times 35 goes in 43? One time. So 35 ones are 35. 13, 3. 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down 7. So how many times 35 goes in 87? 2 times. If you take 3 times, it will be bigger. So you have to take 2 times. That is 70. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down 5. How many times 35 goes in 175? It goes, sorry children, this is 5 times. It goes 5 times. So that is 175. 175 minus 175 is 0. So how many boxes are required? 1125 boxes are required to keep 35 pencils in each box. Okay children? 1125 boxes are required to keep 35 pencils in each box. Okay children? Now let us do the 12th sum. Now let us do the 12th sum. Let us do the 12th question. Now I am reading the 12th question. Natasha went to the restaurant with her friends. She had a total of rupees 6,555 in her purse. Find how many friends she can treat if she spend rupees 115 on each friend. So Natasha went to a restaurant with her friends. So she is having 6,555 rupees with her, and she want to spend 115 rupees on each friend. And now we have to find out for how many friends she can give the party. Okay children? So amount with Natasha. So how much amount is Natasha having? Amount with Natasha. So Natasha is having 6,555 rupees with her. Okay children? So how much amount she want to spend for each friend? The amount spent on each friend. She want to spend 115 rupees on each friend. Now we have to find out for how many friends she can give the party. So number of friends. For finding out the number of friends, you have to do the operation division. So rupees 6,555 divided by rupees 115. So let us divide. 6,555 divided by 115. So let us write down the table. 115 plus 115. 230 plus 115. 345 plus 115. 460. This is 1 time. This is 2 times. This is 3 times. This is 4 times. 460 plus 115. 575. This is 5 times plus 115. 619. This is 6 times plus 115. 805. This is 7 times. So let us do the division. How many digits you have to take? If you take 2 digits, they will be smaller than 115. So you have to take 3 digits. So how many times 115 goes in 655? So it goes 5 times. If you take 6 times, it will be bigger. So you have to take 5 times. It is 575. 5 minus 5 is 0. 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down 5. How many times 115 goes in 805? It goes 7 times. So 805. 805 minus 805 is 0. So here the answer is 57. Here the answer is 57. She can give party for 57 friends. Okay children? She can give party for 57 friends. Did you understand children? All of you do the 13th question for homework. Okay children? You do the 13th question for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.